Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to verify Headway account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Verifying your Headway account is a crucial step to ensure the security of your trading activities and to comply with regulatory standards. So in order to verify it, first what you need to do is confirm your email address. During registration, after signing up, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click on the link provided to verify your email address. Then, second is to access the verification section. Enter your credentials to access your Headway personal area. Then navigate to the profile and click on Verify Now under your name. Then, alternatively, select Verify Your Account in the Activities tab. Then, third is to provide personal information like full name, date of birth, country of residence, full address, and identification number. Then fourth is to upload identification documents like your passport and national ID card. And lastly, submit and await confirmation. Double check all entered information and uploaded documents for accuracy before submitting. Verification typically takes a short period. You'll receive an email notification once your account is verified. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.